Mercedes-Benz G-Code Concept 2014. Mercedes-Benz Vision G-Code, success study from Asia for Asia. Stuttgart, Beijing. For yesterday's opening of the new Product Engineering Center in Beijing, Mercedes-Benz put the focus squarely on the G-Code vehicle study. The innovative and versatile sports utility SUV, for town and country shows how emotionally appealing a future compact SUV can be, and what evolutionary possibilities the Mercedes-Benz design philosophy offers. The new Product Engineering Center of the brand bearing the three-pointed star also features a complete design studio. Under the leadership of the main studio in Sindelfingen, the studio in Beijing creates design models and mobility concepts that incorporate and focus on local cultures and trends. Consequently, this new advanced design studio within the Daimler Product Engineering Center in Beijing also pursues an already established strategy of Daimler. Worldwide, a total of 5 such centers serve as seismographs for market-specific developments. The knowledge gained there is then incorporated into the technical concept and design of future models. The G-Code concept vehicle is a prime example of this strategy. It interprets the current design idiom of sensual purity from the perspective of the Mercedes-Benz advanced designers in Beijing and Sindelfingen. The combination of emotion and intelligence conveys modern luxury in a compact form. As a result, the G-Code is also a perfect fit for today's understanding of design in China. The G-Code is both beautiful and intelligent, and interprets our typical Mercedes Q design idiom, says Gordon Wagoner, head of design of Daimler AG. A Q-like sideline, a dynamically flowing greenhouse and extremely sporty proportions immediately catch the eye. Furthermore, compact dimensions, extensive assistance and camera systems as well as the variable plug-in hybrid drive system with long electric operating range make the SUV ideal for traffic in Asia's megacities. At the same time, the electronic all-wheel drive technology with digital prop shaft ensures a particularly sporty and energy-efficient setup both on and off the road. The designers of the G-Code drew their inspiration from the modern lifestyle and digital affinity of the younger Asian society. In the future, this generation will prefer above all cool and sporty crossovers, as prior studies conducted by Daimler have shown. At the same time, the G-Code initiates an automotive trend that focuses on new technologies, classic craftsmanship and design. With the G-Code, the employees of the Advanced Design Centers in Beijing and Sindelfingen not only implement technical innovations, but also provide a look ahead to the evolutionary possibilities of the Mercedes-Benz design philosophy of sensual purity. The 2+2-seater SUV measures about 4.10 meters in length and has counter-opening doors. It captivates with a Q-like profile, muscular wheel arches and a continuous greenhouse without visible A-pillars. This continuous glass area, similar to the cockpit glazing of a powerboat, lends the G-Code, which is about 1.90 meters wide and only about 1.50 meters tall, a coherent horizontal arrangement and a resounding forward thrust even while at a standstill. This solution seems to literally levitate the roof with its retractable roof rails and tension-charged surfaces above the vehicle body, and signals the lightness of automotive being. In addition to the striking muscles that span from the headlamps to the rear and lend the side a purist and flowing line, the 21-inch aluminum wheels with delicate carbon fiber spokes catch the eye in the side view. They provide an interesting contrast to the harmonious sideline of the G-Code. The short front and rear overhangs, the enlarged ground clearance and the front and rear aluminum underride guard hint at the SUV talons of the G-Code. The aforementioned wheels give the compact SUV a solid stance on the road and leave no doubt about its passion. Even at first glance, the vehicle study signals its sporty ambitions both on and off the road. A digital world in the radiator grille, regards from the warp drive. Who hasn't heard of the legendary Starship Enterprise from the Star Trek TV series and the numerous feature films? One feature which has always been the center of attention is the warp main drive in the lower drive pod with holographic, most often blue illuminated pulsating opening. The designers have created a similarly spacey front for the G-Code. In place of a conventional louvered grille, the central trademark star and the 2 chrome louvers in the radiator are surrounded by a continuous display, The engine is cooled by means of innovative air deflection via apertures in the side and at the bottom of the front. The Inspire display visualizes the current operating mode of the G-code with a complex and multi-layered star matrix. Middle dot. When the G-code is parked, it signals the current rest mode with a softly pulsating blue light. Middle dot. In all-electric hybrid e-drive mode, the digital miniature stars in the radiator grille light up in blue and seem to move from the edge of the display towards the center. It creates the visual impression of an imaginary permanently opening tunnel in the vehicle front. Middle dot. In the mixed hybrid eco mode, the direction of movement of the miniature stars remains the same, but the color changes to a purple hue. Middle dot. In hybrid sport mode, on the other hand, the color changes to a vivid red and the direction of movement of the miniature stars is reversed. Now it creates the impression of the G-code permanently transporting imaginary energy to the outside.